Puns, adding a twist of humor to your stories. Hello learners! Today, we're going to delve into the world of humor in storytelling, focusing particularly on puns. Puns are a fantastic way to infuse your stories with humor, surprise, and wit. They add an element of fun and keep your audience engaged. So, let's dive right in. A pun is a form of wordplay that exploits multiple meanings of a term, or of similar-sounding words, for an intended humorous or rhetorical effect. Puns can be based on different types of wordplay, like homophones, words that sound the same but have different meanings, homonyms, words that are spelled and sound the same but have different meanings, or even words that just sound similar. For instance, let's consider a simple pun. I used to be a baker, but I couldn't make enough dough. Here, the word dough is a pun. It's a homophone pun, since dough sounds the same as do, but also has a separate meaning related to baking. To incorporate puns into your storytelling effectively, you need to keep your audience in mind. You should strive for puns that are easy to understand, yet clever enough to be appreciated. In addition, the pun should fit naturally into the narrative. For example, if you're telling a story about a fish who dreams of flying, you could say, "He wanted to soar above the sea, not just flounder around." The pun here is flounder, a kind of fish. That also means to struggle or move clumsily. Now, it's time for you to try it out. Think of a simple story, and find a place where you can add a pun. Remember, it's important to practice. The more you practice incorporating puns into your storytelling, the better you'll get at it. Here is a sample exercise. The story is about a bee that loves to read. Try adding a pun that's suitable for this story. Incorporating puns into your storytelling can not only add humor but also elevate your overall storytelling skills. It's an art that might take some practice to perfect, but the result is truly worth the effort. So go on, practice using puns in your stories, and you'll soon find yourself telling tales that keep your audience hooked with anticipation and laughter. Until next time, happy learning and happy storytelling.